Okay everyone, so what I did was just downloaded the app right now. As usual, I'm gonna give you the walkthrough through the app. So I'm gonna sit here while I have the app going right there. All right, I'm gonna hit open right now. All right, would you like to send notifications? I'll hit allow, I don't really care. License agreements, I agree, because you have no choice. You have to agree to the license agreements, right? Oh God, I gotta set up usernames and stuff. I'll get back with y'all when I set up the username. Okay, so I just signed up. I hate having to sign up to things. It feel like it takes forever, but it don't take long. So all right, let's add device. Robot vacuum. Would you like to use your location? I don't care. I'll allow while using the app. I don't care. They know my location anyway. Robot vacuum. What model is this again? Oh Lord, I forgot. 25C. 25C? Boy, they got a lot of vacuums. 25C. It didn't say max on it. Oh, now I gotta put my Wi-Fi information. Oh my God. I'll get back with y'all again. Okay, you guys, so I just put in my Wi-Fi information. Blah, 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 blah. Come on, bro. All right. Connecting. I probably skip y'all this whole process. All right, what happened? Failed to connect. Come on, bro. Try again. Oh my God. I think I was on the wrong one, you guys. So they got a 25C max and they got a 25C. I just have the 25C. So whatever is the difference. It's a whole bunch of these things anyway. So let's do this again. All right, so it should work this time. I will skip y'all. Oh, that was quick. All right, personalize your device by giving them a nickname. Robot vac, let's call her basement right now. You can share this device with others. Here you can see your RoboVac status and battery level. Oh, okay. All right. So let's see what happens when we hit play. Let me put y'all down to the machine. And we are going to hit play and see what happens. Okay, and it's going. This is crazy. It's going crazy right now. I'm having fun with this. Oh, let me open the door. Okay, you guys, so when I hit the arrow up, it goes forward. So I could kind of control this without hitting the play. I'm actually in control of this. Right now I'm tapping. All right, let me see if I hold it and we'll see what happens. So I'm holding it and it's going. So I could actually vacuum what I want to vacuum while I'm in control. I know y'all can't see me tapping it, but I'm tapping right now. And it's going around in a circle. I'm not tapping it, I'm holding it, sorry. So I'm holding the right now. I'm ready to let go. Let me tap it. If I hold right, now let me hit forward. Let me hit right again. And hit forward. And it goes forward. If I let go, it goes. So right now, that's like a manual mode when I'm aiming at the front. So let me show y'all from here. So I'm not screen recording. So when I hit forward, oops. When I hit forward, it goes forward and it stops. If I hit right, it makes a turn. I don't know what degree of turn that is. Let me do it one more time. All right, so I can hit right, left if I want to, and I hit forward, hold it, and then it goes, and it just picked up something. I'll show y'all that in a little bit. So right here, focus. All right, so we have auto right here. This is auto. This is for cleaning the corners of your walls. This one here is for it to go in a circular motion, and this one is a timer, a 30-minute timer, and it should return home back to base. And we definitely going to test that one out. But right now, it's fully charged, it's blue. We are just going to hit auto and see what happens. Sorry, you guys, I forgot to turn it on. All right, it's on right now. It's on the charger. It's already charged, of course. Hands are dirty. I have some sawdust right here. We was cutting some wood because we are working on the cabinets down here. So let me go ahead and hit auto. So when you hit auto, it goes off from the base. And it's doing its own cleaning right now. So it's kind of going anywhere it wants to go. So it's staying in that little hole right there. Okay, now let me control it real quick. Now I'm controlling it. Just picked up something heavy. Let me see if right now, it's underneath of the pool table, doing what it wants to do. Right now, I can't control it right now. It's not doing what I want it to do right now. Now let me see if I go off of auto real quick. I'm trying to see if I can bring it back. See, I'm turning it and it's not turning. There we go. Now it wants to turn when I tell it to turn. So the command on it is okay. Let's go. Trying to just there we go. So auto mode is basically going anywhere it wants. Let me pause it. So I press the play again to stop it. So you play and stop. They got this mode right here. You go in the corners. So I guess it's gonna look for a corner to go to. Let's see. So now it's hitting the whole corners. And it's going inside the room. Stop. Now let me see. I'm gonna turn it around. Forward. Now when you're controlling it by yourself, you either gotta hold it, because if you let go, it will stop. And then you hold it and it goes forward. Okay, stop. All right, the next one is circle mode. So this spins it around in a circle. and it will go around and around and around in a big circle. All right, you get the point on that. Pause. All right, so the other feature on here would be 30-minute timer. So with this 30-minute timer, it's supposed to go for 30 minutes and then it's supposed to return to home. So we'll do that one later. So the fan up here is for the different speed of the vacuum. So let me press play and you will hear it. You hear that? Now watch. You hear it? Now it's sucking up harder, but you're using more battery. This one here's the power. So this power cord right here is supposed to be returned back to home. So let's see if it returns home. And it returns back to home. So we went over everything on this remote. I'll do a little quick summary on it real quick. All right, so let's do a quick summary. All right, this is return to home. This is for the power of the vacuum. While it's on, you hit this button. All right, this is for controlling it manually. Remember, one tap will make it go only one turn. So you have to hold it if you want it to go all the way you want it to go. So this is right and then forward. You go right again and then forward. So this is just for the turns, and this is to go forward and backwards. All right, play, stop. This is for auto mode. It does automatically vacuum the floor automatically. This is for corners, vacuum the corners. This is for vacuuming in circular mode, and this one is for a 30-minute clean, return back to home after clean. And as you saw, this returns back to home. Like, comment, and please subscribe.